Hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to get Bolt.diy up and running in your local machine. So let's get started. Go to Bolt.diy GitHub repo. This is a GitHub repo. From here we'll just copy the URL and then we'll open our terminal and clone it here. Next we'll cd into our folder and then here we're going to install pnpm first. So npm install -g pnpm. Once you have that ready, next we have to install the dependencies. Once that is done, we can just pnpm run dev. And if you open the URL, we are presented with the Bolt.diy homepage. It is going to reload one last time before we can start using it. In the meantime, it would be a good idea to get your API keys. Reload the page one last time. Okay, here we are. So I'm gonna use Claude. So this is my Anthropic API key. We have a bunch of models that we can choose from. So it's up to you which model you want to choose. Try it again. Maybe we forgot to set the key. Yeah, now it's working. As you can see, the files are being generated. Okay, let's see how I'm supposed to play this game. Use the arrow keys to move and spacebar to shoot. Yeah, it's working. We'll do one last test. Need to do app using React. Okay, it's done. And this is the preview. Okay, seems like we have encountered an issue, so let's ask Bolt to fix it. It has developed the application. Let's check its functionality now. Okay, let's add another task. Works. Let's click on here. Okay, works. Yeah, works. So we can directly download the code, and it downloads the code as a zip file, and we can also push it to GitHub. We are not going to do it now, but you get the idea. So yeah, this is the Bolt.diy version. There is another version called Bolt.new that only supports Claude, but this is a fork of Bolt.new. So the Bolt.diy, which was previously known as Autodev, so they changed the names, and we have the Bolt.diy version now. So do check it out, play around with it, and let me know what you are able to achieve with this.